That's the warmest it's been in 3 weeks. So I'm out on the iceberg trails right now. Haven't done a winter video in I don't know how long. It's been a long time, but it's gorgeous out. I might be underdressed. I'm a little cold. It looks like it's just a little bit above zero here on the trail, which is, that's awesome. It's 10 degrees above at my cabin, which is just a half a mile up the trail. So this is gorgeous. Hopefully I can get some warm-up time in. I am going to run 2 trail systems today. I love this link up that I do. It's the iceberg trails, then I jump up onto the road, run the road for a couple of miles, and drop into the Rosy Creek trails. So it's really fun. It's like 7.5 miles of just pleasure. I had a really hard treadmill workout yesterday, so my legs are really pretty blasted right now. So definitely going to be running really conservative today, but still want to share the experience with you. I'm going to be walking up a lot of the climbs, if not all of them. I've got a hard speed work session assigned to myself for tomorrow, so I don't want to completely destroy my legs today. Let's enjoy the morning.
I tried to get out and do this run several weeks ago, but that's when we went into our cold snap. We had temperatures down to around negative 50 degrees Fahrenheit in places. Even up here in the hills, it was really cold. So I couldn't get out and run at all. I spent the whole time on a treadmill. So being able to finally get out and hit the trails, it's really exciting. I'm in heaven.
Oh man, I'm enjoying a nice leisurely hike up to the east side upland trail. It got cold down at the bottom of the valley. It's usually an ice box down there. Yeah, it was cold. Couldn't feel my hands. My fingers were completely numb. I got light gloves on today, so that was to be expected. Not gonna lie, I'm enjoying the walking. Snow's a little soft, but it warmed up getting up out of the valley. Oh yeah, nice being able to feel my hands again. Road feels good today.
A lot of runners listen to music or some podcasts or something while they're running. This is what I listen to.
down at the bottom of the valley. Well, I don't know if I'd call it a valley. But it's probably about the coldest spot. It's probably only a few degrees cooler than it was when I dropped in. But this section always has a lot of overflow ice on it, which is cool because it lets me walk for a little bit because I don't like running on it. Sometimes it's a little soft, you can punch through and hit a little bit of water and get your feet wet. That ain't cool. Also, it allows me just to slow down, look around, and enjoy the morning a little bit better.
Just after the cold spell broke, I was running out here. It was about negative 25, 26 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is so much better. That run was so cold. Plus, I was a lot softer. I hadn't ran outside in several weeks, so I wasn't used to the cold anymore. And it wasn't fun, I'll admit it.
Oh, I'm tired. My legs are so shot. Let's back up on the road and head back to the house. Whew. Good run. Well, that was a good run. Yeah, this last mile, my legs were cooked, just cooked. Oh my gosh. But it was so worth it to get out and enjoy the trails today. You guys have a beautiful weekend. Enjoy your days wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.